Hey guys, it's Audrey. Okay, so I'm going to start doing a vlog and videos on certain topics. Today, my topic is bullying. I'm sure some of you are wondering where this bandage on my face came from. That's where this topic is coming from. Today, I was bullied by a friend of my ex-boyfriend all over a breakup. He had told this girl about our breakup and decided that he wanted to have something done about it. So she pushed me into a locker on the way to my third-hour class, and I busted my eyebrow open. So technically that is considered assault. It is also considered bullying. On with this, topic. Bullying, it's a serious epidemic, especially in high school, sadly. Mostly, it consists of girls being bullies, but there's also guy bullies. But girls are bullies because in high school, girls are pressured to be perfect. Perfect hair, perfect teeth, perfect body, everything. And most girls can't live up to those standards, and that's fine because we're all beautiful in our own way, but some girls don't see it as that. So they decide that they're going to use bullying to fix this problem. So bullying, it causes extreme depression in many teenagers. Every 17 minutes there's a suicide. Most suicides can be because of bullying. And that's extremely sad that somebody has to resort to suicide because they're being bullied so much that they're miserable, and that they think the only way out of it is to taking their own life. That's not something that should be happening in this world. So I'm here to start as I would call it, a bullying, anti-bullying campaign. And I want to start it at my school, but I have to start out small, which even means if I have to go on YouTube, so be it. If it helps, and I'll be glad to do it. So, that's basically, my story. I was bullied my freshman and sophomore year in high school. I'm now a junior, and the school that I go to is specifically designated for juniors and seniors. Luckily, the school that I go to, people have matured a little bit, because they're realizing that, it's not going to get them anywhere in this world. They have to go to college, and, on their transcript, if they are suspended because of bullying, no college is really going to take that, So people are starting to grow up, but it's still there, and that's why I'm starting these videos and this campaign, because I want to stop it. I want everybody in this world to be happy with themselves and for everybody to be safe. Like Rachel Joy Scott says, I'm going to change the world, and, I'm going to try as hard as I can, even if it starts small. So anyways, but if anybody that's watching this video has ever been bullied, feel free to leave comments. I strongly encourage it. And I'm not going to judge you if you sit and, leave like 4 paragraphs on how you were bullied and stuff like that. I strongly encourage it, because the first step to stopping it is telling somebody. And I may not be exactly the person to tell, but telling somebody is a small step, and it'll definitely help. So, anyways, but leave your comments, and if anybody has any requests for certain topics on videos, let me know, and I will definitely get to it as soon as possible. I do apologize, though, for this video's quality. I'm taking it on my cell phone. As you can see, my video camera, or my web camera right now, is broken. Once it gets fixed, though, things will be a lot more stable. The quality will be better. But anyways, thanks you guys so much for viewing, and leave comments, and let me know any topics you want me to cover. I appreciate it greatly. Bye.